selling your products to Target, would you also allow your manufacturers or resellers to sell to Target as well? Probably not. One, it would be a little weird, and two, a little confusing for customers. The same is true of Amazon, and that's why I believe strongly in what I call Amazon and the single seller model. What this means is that you as the brand owner are the exclusive authorized seller of your product on Amazon. And I want to give you 3 really important benefits of using this model. Number 1 is advertising and campaigns. If you lose the buy box to an unauthorized or authorized reseller, those campaigns are probably going to be stopped unless they're also running campaigns. And even if they are, you're not going to have that data, which is really important for you to make optimizations to your campaigns moving forward. The second is a consistent customer experience. Customers need to know that they're going to get the same customer service, the same quality of products, regardless of who they buy from on Amazon. And you can ensure and enforce that using the single seller model. The third is customer confidence. When a customer buys a product from the brand owner on Amazon, the conversion rate goes up because they know they're getting a quality product from the manufacturer. They also know that you're going to honor any warranties and they're going to get helpful customer service. These are just 3 really important benefits to using Amazon and the single seller model. If you'd like to learn more great strategies about how to launch, grow, and protect your brand on Amazon, I want to invite you to visit us online at marketplacesellercourses.com, where we've got online courses, resources, and tools for brand owners to help you launch, grow, and protect your brand on Amazon. Thanks for watching.